guys, my name is Iya and welcome back for the part 2 of my first ever vlog. Hi to my vlog. Ang taray mi, parang vlogger talaga. Naantay natin ang mga friendly from...
Awkward ka.
Hindi ako awkward, ikaw yung awkward. Galit. Awkward. Hello.
Baka malapit lang talaga.
Hindi mo show.
Passport ka pala.
Yes.
Pati yung boarding.
Yes. Boarding passport. Magkano na lang kaya laman ng octopus natin, friend?
Mapaload lang natin na ba?
Alam nyo, kayo yung pinaka-artista nitong vlog na.
Please stand back from the train doors.
Hindi pa tayo ngayon na. Saan? Sa Kennedy Town. And we're gonna try the new Wideman's. I'm not sure, nag-wided ba? So, we're gonna go to XT.
Ano tumunog?
This is Onigiri Haven. Go! So, times 8. Magkano water? 9? Mahal. It's expensive. Pengi daw pera.
Pwede kayo iingit to.
How much? 39? 41. We're having our breakfast.
Let's go.
We'll be meeting our friends. Friends pa kami ng day 2. Ewan ko lang bukas. Sila. Ay, akala ko Starbucks na pag-akyat. Mi, mali ata tayo.
Ay, wala kayo bumaba. Huwag kayong lumabas. Akit kayo, mag-escalator kayo.
Asan sila? Okay, say hi to my vlog. Hello.
Dapat yung desserts din ako.
Ano yan?
Croissant.
Croissant. Hindi ka na bil tayo kape. Gusto mo kape?
Pwede. Tanong mo kay Ara kung pwede.
Ano tatanong?
Sa ferry.
Pwede daw ba kumain sa ferry?
Pwede naman siguro yun.
Pwede na. Pero ano lang, light snacks.
Baka adobo ba kakainin mo?
Magluluto pa siya doon.
Only rice.
So we're gonna buy our first coffee of the day. Starbucks. And these are all gluten. Hindi naman nababasa ata. Mine is vanilla sweet cold brew.
Same size?
Yes, please. How much? Sorry. last month. 70. Ay, hindi, may barya pa tayo. Right. Thank you.
Pupunta kami ngayon sa Macau. Nandito kami sa Shenzhen.
Shenzhen. So, tayo ay sasakay ng ferry. Free ride.
Kaya kanya. Siya. Helicopter.
Ayan siya, economy class. Yes, pakapi-kapi na lang. It's 8:10.
Natampo siya sa'yo.
Sorry. Makouter, mi mali. Makouter nakalagay.
Pantay mo, Besh. Tapos, a perfect circle.
Perfect circle.
Yes, mi. Ba't nakangiti kayo?
Boomerang. RJ nakangiti.
Sisi nakaawa pa.
Ay, ang perfect.
Wow.
Yung ticket na galing dito, kukunin ba yun? Kukunin nila. Oo, tama natin yan sa pagbalik.
Umagang kay ganda.
Yung Hong Kong Declaration, Independence. Act of 19. Siya ata. 1989. Taylor Swift.
Si Ara dapat may flag. Raise your flag.
Raise your flag.
Team Ara, let's go!
Parang may future na dito. Parang ito na talaga yung calling.
Yes. All departures.
Senior ferry tickets, especially while boarding.
Gate 1. Are you okay, Marvin? $23L.
24.
Nasaan yun? 34. $23L. Saan yung L?
23 kita.
Oo. Ito bakla kay LM. M ka ba?
Ay! Secretary na pala.
Paano ito ibaba?
Of this first bago mo ba ibaba? Okay.
I think pwedeng kumain, guys. So, labas muna yung onigiri natin for our breakfast. Mine is what? It's a tuna mayo. December 29. Tapos 2020. Finally arrived here in Macau. Pala mag-vlog ng madami. Okay ka, Mami. Buti na lang nag-t-shirt ako kasi ang Janet Jackson sa Macau. Guys, naka-short ka pa.
Pala
RJ as a vlogger din. Sige nga. Ay, oh, lumilingon din siya, oh. Where are you loving? Tayo sa station. We're gonna ride the bus. Magbabas tayo na, friend. Grand Lisboa. We're going to Grand Lisboa. Okay. Yeah. Ano to, Mi? Unang casino? So, this is parang... Ayan mo, ano? Ay, pero iba yan. Ang daming bilihan ng alahas. Gold. Here in this area. Come here.
May Jollibee na lang gusto niya.
Sige, Mi. Okay lang.
Saan ba tayo pupunta, Ara?
Sa Senado Square.
Ay, ito na ba yun?
Senado Square papuntang St. Vincent St. Paul.
Okay, so... Nandito na tayo sa... Ito ba yung Senado Square?
Looks like it.
Hi! Okay guys, ang ganda niya sa camera pero yung mga nagka-camera hindi na maganda. Okay, for the walkathon. For the walkathon ng mga mami may. Ano ba gagawin natin? Magla-lunch muna tayo.
Follow the team leader.
Follow the agency. Char! Hala! May mga tiyanggian. Si Sasa girl. Ito mo lang yung Sasa na sinasabi ko.
Victoria vibe.
Divisoria vibe. Papayong mo na mi. Ay, lamig ah.
Diba? Yung mga ano, yung mga airplane yung mga...
Diba yung lakas oh? Kumusta naman ang carbon footprint? Char! Shirt on. Okay, where? Derecho? Right, right? Pili ka daw. Love your refreshing drink ka. Magkano? HKD? Tanong mo pwede HKD?
Same lang daw.
Kami yung picture. Tikman natin. May buto nga lang. May ang daming buto. Yung buto ng lemon.
Refreshing lang. Ingat ka lang sa sago. Ano? Signature lemon.
Anek?
Soda rice.
May sago din na.
Milk tea.
Milk tea ah.
May sago rin, Marvin. Ay, may sago, may buto. From the lemon. From the
Sabi ko kay
lemon.
Tinay.
Ito yung isa. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan.
Parang burger.
Ano ba yun?
Ito na lang pera mo.
Magkano yan? Tapos, ito yung isa. Puro seafood. Meron din something. Ito, hindi ko alam to.
Go! Okay, nakapili na ang horado.
bombastic side eye.
Okay.
Hoy, nakalimang isip ka. Eh kasi lakad ka ng lakad. Ayan mo.
Si Sherwin, tuloy inom ng inom.
Ako kasi napapagod sa kanya na hawak ko.
Ay, taray.
Yaw.
Ay, wow. I love it.
Ay, lamig.
Ay, taray. Bet. Ang presyo, bet ba? Malalaman sa pagbabalik ng...
Shocking L'Oreal.
This is their secret beef brisket. Sarap. Ano? Condiment.
Ano to eh? Toyo. Toyo.
Yung toyo, bet.
Chili.
Paano malalaman toyo?
Tinignan ka.
Doon sila sa kabilang table. Ayun o, wala. Ang dami ng wonton. Parang bet.
Sure.
Balik na.
Ano ba yun?
Yung dumpling na friend.
Ayun natin.
Wonton, ay prawn wonton.
Yung fried? Yung fried. Ay, yung paling.
Fried sauce.
Ito pa yung peanut sauce. Ay, noodles. Ay, ano ba kasi?
Medyo ba siya?
Ay, oh. Ate. Diyan ba?
Kaya pabalik.
Kabila. Ayan o. Oo, friend. Diretso lang. Oo.
Dito?
Oo. Ay, hindi. Diretso.
St. Paul's Church in Macau, originally built by the Jesuits in the 16th century, was destroyed by a fire in 1835, leaving only its iconic facade and grand stone stairs.
Walang dumadaan.
Game. 1, 2.
Nakaraos na rin tayo sa St. Paul Ruins. Pero ang ganda ng project na sa camera.
Yeah.
Kaya lang, ang lala ng init sobra.
Ganda ng lighting.
Lightning.
Lighting.
Lighting. Pero look at the people. Hey!
Dami tao, no?
Sobrang dami tao. So, masok tayo ng Uniqlo. Hindi natin kayang init sa labas. Tunaw na tayo. 199.
How much?
Times 7.5. Times 8. 1.6. Ito sa amin lahat. Charot.
Can we get
Discount.
another discount since we have
Many. So nagkakagulo na po mga kaibigan. Alam nyo, pabango-pabango kayo. Hindi na kayo naliligo. Unahin yung maligo.
Tingnan din na maliligo.
You buy many, no? Additional discount? No, because
Many
in my
dis-
job we need discount.
Ay. Hoy.
No discount dito na yun. Plus 240. 840. Sa Humbi, parang palungkot.
Plus 240. Buti na lang.
Boss.
Our manager.
Our boss. It's the boss.
Our manager.
she will buy all that for us for free.
Ay, nako. Magkakaroon kayo ng sampay na talaga. Sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Kanina to?
So need to pay $7 for plastic.
Okay.
Okay, total $4,055.
30K for all of us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Talaga itong
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Just my copy, I can identify. Oh, that's nice.
Maybe you were
Me, may resibo. Kompleto ang spelling.
Document.
Walang nakakalusyo.
Thank you so much!
Bye-bye!
At saan talaga yung Pinoy? Hi! Dito na kayo lahat ng mga Pinoy sa The Art of Garden.
Hey!
Para makikita ng mga Pinoy.
Thank you po, ate!
Sige po, bye-bye!
Anong itsura na natin?
Plus.
Okay, pasok tayo ng City of Dreams. Ayan, so guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Venetian. Ay, hindi. This City of Dreams. COD. COD Macau. YSL. Magkano kaya ang YSL? Ay, ang ganda ng color brown. Tingnan natin. Walang presyo. Siguro mga 100 above. Parang super late naman yan. Hindi kasya dyan yung buhay ko. Kaya pa ba mga friend? Yeah!
Parang isip-isip, hindi talaga.
Friend, pagod ka na ba?
Baklaan ang lalano nito. Napapaubos ako sa
Love!
Lulus-lulus na ho yung kalagayan namin dito. Burger.
As usual, ang crowded, ang daming tao. Pero, aircon. Yeah, puro casino na dito. Puro casino, puro mall. Tapos puro mga luxury brands. Hong Kong via bus. And dumaan pa din kami sa immigration ng Macau. And we need to show our ticket, love. Ayan, taray ng mga bus. So, it will take us 2 hours to arrive in Hong Kong. But good na, okay na. Oh, man. Galang-gala pero uwi-uwi. Shoot! Back in HK. Pero bakit ganun? Mainit pa rin. Walang difference? Parang napanood ko na to. Parang galing tayo dito kahapon. Hello.
Tagal mo ah.
Sa Sisi.
Ang natin ay Uber.
Uber XL.
Naka-mail pa rin? Ay, depende sa mabubok.
Sana ganun ulit para comfortable. Ay, ayan ba yun, friend? Parang iba. Finally, after ma-cancel, ayan na. SOS. Congrats. Okay. It's raining, man. Touchdown. Touchdown. Eh, umulan din. Umulan din dito. Maybe trying out a Vomero as an Ingitero.
Hello.
Dito nga. Ay, ganda. Okay, bought another pair of shoes. At ayan ay Vomero. Patingin. Flex. Magkano? We're both tired. We're on our way to our hotel, but we haven't eaten yet. Time check. It's 10:47. Ang sasalba sa atin tonight. oras na ba? Uy, 12 na! Happy birthday, Joshel.
Happy birthday, Joshel.
Pasensya ka na. Ito lang na kaya
Happy birthday, Joshel.
Tsura ko doon eh.
Madami.
Asim ba eh?
Asim kilig. Naglalasanan pa kayo dati. Hi guys! It's our day 3 and we're going to Disneyland. Pero, binabagyo na kami. Other side. Ito na ang fastest escalator. So this is the Disney train. Touchdown, Disneyland! Nasaan na? Ayun, ang layo. Ito na. Gusto ko din bumili ng Mickey Mouse headband. Nasa entrance ko sa
Akala ko ba this is the happiest place on earth?
Gusto niyo na ba tumambay sa CR?
I suggest you CR.
Oo, meron. Sino magre-refill tubig?
Hi guys, opportunity ito ngayon. Pulas level. So, gusto niyang bumili ng t-shirt nasa Sadness. Ang sama.
It's all gonna be okay.
How much is that?
$199.
Official Disney merch. 199 HKD. Cute na Sadness.
Guys, I got.
Oh, sure.
Baka maghahanap pala.
Nang?
Baka
Please.
mag-meeting. Oh.
Maghanap ako sa...
Malakas signal sa bahay.
Hindi naman, sa CR.
Baka mag-echo.
So, babalik tayo ng CR sa entrance kasi meron akong meeting at 11:45 to 12:50. So, kailangan natin ng tahimik na lugar. Okay, we're done with my meeting at habulin natin ng mga friends natin here at Frozen World. Punta kayo! Ganun-ganun nga yung itsura niya with the fountain. Ang tanong, saan sila nakapila?
Ayun na, doon.
Okay. Arendelle. Roller coaster ba to, love? Dito ata sila, baka dito sila pumila. Ay, water na sila. We're getting this hot dog and that chicken. Magkano yung chicken lang?
Chicken is 65.
65. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to ride Grizzly Gulch.
My heart's always been green, but it's in a mix of the 1, 2, 3, 4.
Love yung headband ko.
Ano ko sa atin pwede na ba?
Sabi niya, Ogar.
Only thing I want was a good old time. Proud to see half of that. I run right from the start. This never would have gone so long. You'd never break my heart. Oh, rush
solo tayo at this moment. So, wala pa kami picture sa castle. The iconic castle of Disneyland Hong Kong.
We all been beggars when should have been chasers. Hell, the best of us was held out for a loser. And I know you saw me on my knees crying over you, sir. But honey, it's time to cut our losses.
1 hand carry and 1 check-in baggage. 50 tayo. So, Swifty talaga tong Cebu pa. Okay, say hi to my vlog. Hi guys, say hi to my vlog. Wala yung laptop ko. And that is a wrap! Yay! Congratulations guys because you made it this far. Natiis ninyong lahat ang pagmumukha ko the whole time. At syempre ang pagmumukha din nila, kasama sila dito. Ayan. So thank you guys for watching. But before I end this vlog, as I promised, I will be sharing with you the total expenses I incurred during this trip to Hong Kong and Macau. So first things first, Klook. All attractions, including Wi-Fi, Octopus card, I spent 12,393 pesos. For Uber ride, I think we only had 3 Uber rides. I only spent 753 pesos because most of the time, it's divided by 6 kasi kaming 6 ang madalas na magkakasama. And for the shopping, it's only 6,000 because this is only attributable to the perfume that I bought in Macau and also yung shirt that I bought for Ninay. And for the food, personal expenses, pasalubong. Ang pasalubong ay medyo maliit lang. Sa DS Groceries lang namin siya nabili. More on chicha, pagkain lang, ganyan. Well, I wish bumili ako ng pasalubong na bake house, you know, egg tart because sobrang sarap talaga niya. And gusto kong patikim kila mama dito pag uwi. But unfortunately, hindi na namin naabutan yung opening hours. And that is a very sad story. Talagang hinayang na hinayang ako. But anyway, for food, personal expenses, and pasalubong, I only spent 13,500 pesos. And as mentioned from the first part of this vlog, for the airfare with baggage and travel tax, I spent 11,430 pesos. And last but not least, the accommodation. So for the accommodation, I only spent 4,451 pesos. So drum roll, ito na, total. Okay? A total of 48,527 pesos! Ayan, so that's only for one person, that's only for me. Iba-iba naman tayo ng gastos. Probably, kaya ninyong makatipid sa ibang mga bagay. Okay? But if you will think of it, airfare, this has been paid March pa lang. And accommodation was paid June. So technically, if you exclude that, ang gastos lang ay 32,646. O diba? Kapalubag. Well, the 48,527 excludes the DJI, the camera that I bought in Hong Kong, and also all the pre-travel expenses. So, lahat ng mga OOTD, pa-nails, pa-eyelashes, and other expenses prior to our trip, I exclude that. And yeah, that's it. So, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Also, I include all the links for the Agoda booking that we had, for all the Klook links that we booked via Klook. I also include that down there. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed our vlog, and I hope you learned something na if you are planning to visit Hong Kong and Macau, there's a portion of this vlog that you will apply for your trip. So yun, maraming salamat. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope I see you on the next one. Bye!